subvert a man in his cause, appointed by heaven, the Lord permitted it not. In the name of he who died and lay in the grave and arose triumphant on the third day, we speak into play Ides. We speak to the oracles of Arcturus, to the decisions of Orion and Mazzaroth, to the zodiacs, and we declare, get yourself and be broken in pieces. Assemble yourself from the east, north, south, and west, and be broken in pieces. Take your counsels in the regions of the sea, and it shall come to naught. Speak your word, and it shall not stand, for God is with us. Shine with a shout of fire.
TV official, our YouTube, and our Facebook, FPNTV. Say, Emre Ewie, and our first time I also a video case as well. Mr. Say, be subscribe it, or subscribe ya. Like it, comment it, na share na afoforo so enye bi nhwe ene Monday ne dru Monday saa no so na che bebia gidi bebia ayehye yekodi weekend ni bae no Monday obia so ayehye niema kurum na asohye abai na yebedi Ghana ho enkomo Nyame ya aduma enwumrei 7 p.m. pepe the Ghana Blackstars omugina akono na omo counterpart the Mali for ebeshia abo the World Cup qualify Nyame ya aduma 2026 World Cup ebebaso na amaman miensa ene hosti this World Cup next year no ebeye 3 nations 3 countries and hosti the FIFA World Cup na no yewo United States of America yewo Mexico and also Canada. These are the 3 nations 3 countries na me aduma 2026 June July omu hosti the World Cup FIFA World Cup. Na enumu no every continent biya beden ebebo qualifies as the number of teams and crofo just so qualify ebebo this tournament. Enumu na Ghana so enya opportunity enya akonya yeso yebo Africa yebo ye qualifies September yebo 2 matches say Friday no yedikan ebo baako anene 7 p.m. Yes, abebo your second match. Na first of all, ye pese ye GFA hon komo kakra ye rare ye de Blackstars ni. Mr. Kurt Okreku, GFA president, enumere me chechia o mebre. Say when you know Blackstars too much. Because when you know you the impact more than the GFA more de bre Ghana for say you bet me ako away near a country like Chad this football nation you bet me about 1-1 draw a shipping country a shipping team your group I obia B group I ye ka Chada country Chada obia Chad na Ghana ye free on a football nation ye free on the Brazil of Africa ye timi ko Chad ne ye no mo ko draw na to say enema bi enko yie say ye saw the qualities any players are ye wa enya ho performance any always bia no metaka ye ma local players no yemo akonya no muso showcase your talent ewo oman mu a yebetimi di the local teams then yebe yi bi free local clubs no yebe yi team players ni bi afrim akobo ni yenjai always be say yede foreign based players then eba country nim omuba no omabo no stroka no makọ yenkanya sasem bia enkyere omo 2025 AFCON ya eba sui Ghana did not qualify. We did not qualify because of poor performance, because of poor technical team ayewo, because of poor leadership ayewo nti AFCON ya ebe yetima qualify. Our last time I am qualified for African Cup of Nations was 2004. Since then, always be a African Cup of Nations. Ghana etimiko. Also, here we nkuan yentima eden. Entime anko. Then a man basa. Ye ka players ye wo talent ni de Ghana ye wo bi. Enti then e koso. Say ye beko ni abo draw, yambo draw ni e lose yentimi mfa win. Ye ka then times of Ghana Blackstars Stephen Apiamu Blackstars, Michael Essien, Sule Muntali, Kelvin Prince Boateng. These are now players on who committee or edema the national team. Ebeyo Obia Dese as a player, there are so many Ghanaians abroad. There are so many Ghanaians over here. Niyetima Fred 24-man squad. 26-man squad. Near their within said beset the national team color, the national team jersey. Now come representing Ghana. Mubarama bon trokan. Near Jai Munamuko. And then yentimi MSC the World Cup 2026. Ghanaians are crying for World Cup 2026. Mantima qualify for African Cup. Mu making sure say and ne the pay a win. Mu winning MIA. Because on my second year, taxes, menewo, ye tax, and ye di chiamu. And Timu Mujina agro promotional mo bobona, Mumfa, and Nijebi, and the Ambon, said, more representing my country. Because Yayama say a football, you said the echo. Ye were quality players, I bet me, Afro, and Crofy, ye can Ghana. Yeka our local clubs now. Ye will players omu be den ebeti me ku omu abobo no ye den e dia ma Ghana so dey etima GBB eso abronti ye be fa foreign based players and omu na munim bo omu bo Tottenham omu bo Bournemouth omu bo Atlanta omu bo Villarreal omu na ye den enim bo omu bo na bo ni troka ni ye jai omu say dey ye ntina say 2026 World Cup no ye jam wire amamo and qualify enko. By all means, at the qualify, na mo de any dear at but the football fraternity. They say I come back say I Ghana be Bob yana and yem shishia, yene Chad. Na yentimi share Chad. Against Chad, ye bought 4 strikers, 4 good strikers. Inaki Williams, no Jordan Ayew, no home. Antoine Semenyo, no home. Mohamed Kudus, no home. And so, Ekowie na first goal 17th minute. Yetimi share first goal. Yentimi share goal BM till the 90th, 88th minute. Chad for it. What is going wrong? Then at the football administration, munye ni ye. Then at there opportunity the right people, the right players are there. Mube you amuntimi en you enfambo. Me nua bi wom, me wofa bi wom, me baby wom ti say eye dan ya because my bebo Blackstars there, because my bebo the national team there. Eye dan ya me baby, me wofa ase bi, me nua bi ye den, e ba bebo bi. Mo me yen just sa na atwom no. Mo me yen for the right people e the embo. Your place wo man mu. Your place on betimi eye guy hard place on be popo ni ye e de ama o my Ghana. Share under 17 World Cup a Jane. Share nefe. Share nefe. Say ye benya sa ade ni bi. Ye kokora ye qualify, ye ntimi qualify. Group stage a na o ma yi afrim. Because ye nim say ye ba be gisika. Empanifo ni bi agigi sika. Obi wo ha ye friend wo senior national team no. Even FIFA enye den en recognizing no engine ntum say on switching nationality. Embe bomma Blackstars eso so yetima eden afre players afre ono aka ho abra ka ebesimi eden ye betimi dia afre the right people, the right guys on better on beku omo ho aboama Ghana players ben ye ni bi defenders ye ka defense it is solid ye ka midfielder we have quality players, we have quality guys omo bo amanonia ye ka say day in day out club levels are omo and today the bebema always bia no yentimi ya the enko yanim as a national team day na asesa day na yenya ni ye asoman a say ye bre ye national teams ni bre make national teams na enye Blackstars nko a make the youth side the under 17 under 20 under 23 black queens black princesses. What is going on? They say yama sikano edi yenim too much. Sikano yamani edi yenim. Dia ni yenye asoman. Na me always be a me sinti Coach Ado is the West Ghanaian coach. Coach Otuado a West Ghanaian coach ayafano. Minim criteria kra mo yedem. Omodi echusu Coach Otuado. Minim dienti o mo yedem. Omodi sa eduman emano. Because on him just say be anywhere or lake papa as a head coach mentality be na ode my boys na e dey ball always be I can na wabenya brofosem wabeka different story na wabeyo brof na egu na ukọ na a month what you $50,000 which is 6 billion a month no abegina de ko eso ye hu niam papa bia wo ye audia boa Ghana o ba ye se me check o records me the records to screen so and I say your friend am microphone am my records you are performing very very poor eso GF abronti esa so mbenye sika ni bia dinti am say wa na ye pe ake ye so coaches am be dem on betimi aboa the national team a Otuado de no nka ho de be unique adibe portable ba antipa na mutimi ye de for coach Otuado. So number of coaches are apply for the job de be special na muhu Otuado ho a enu ntimi ye de mutimi di fa mo GFA asembusa ye busa mo ne awie niama ben na course am ye de mutimi di fa Otuado because the performance there very very poor. The performance very very poor. When Tima Fire qualify and AFCON. Now wait say when Tima win match but he should be sad. Pacho Mr. Saudi league standing number 2 am. Currently this is the standing Uber group Aya where I standing Ghana bought 7 games. Omukuta 16 points. Comoros about 8 games and no Comoros the 8 share Central African Republic. Omusho omu 2-0. Into one by that second with 15. Madagascar 13. Mali ayero mu beboy. Omu 12. Sene omu share omu ko 15. Central African Republic I was saying 5. And a Chad 1 point. Chad 1 point na onya free ye ho. Group standing enini say yanhwe ye na Mali yenya draw kra e wa ase ya enye maye. It's a must win. A win and ye hia anti boys no say mire awie omutia omfa hye omutirim say omunku omo ho embo ball ni mo omo man say the omukọ club levels a omo ye de omo yire omo e performing no say so no omo ye de omo mbo omo ho modern e de enku omo ho ma omo man because ubeku hu ama omo man a ero na e de unya club papa and na be mu onya club team papa who represent my Ghana and unya team papa e de abo na wo bana bebo no troka tournament e ko so abede na what ma represent o country no untimi represent enti e dey we mu nya mo psyche they are professionals mu nya mo bo big team enti den and as a coach technical team na mo mpe omo a you should let the GFA know say technical team we yempe omo ya dosun always be ye diska abrem na mashiska no then they improving our national teams. The Blackstars of Ghana ejina akono 7 p.m. and the first former players mobeko ko the team camp na makwachi omu keke na masodesiro no mo kan kire mo say yesu ye be share jesi ni bi yabo ball ni bi da na ye time no ni ade ani bre ani ahoden na ball no former players are mo visit you mo can chiro mo fan to omutirim say time na ye born ye de nia den eni bread ye de bobon no nti mo fa sa mentality ni ensure omutirim enye se mo be kwa ye akoko gina na mo no makasa na mo di nkomo na mabakeke no mo psyche mo chiro mo say boy ena be mo ye de mo nya bigger clubs abo hwe makwaye ni ade fefefe munya makwa former players makosra mo fefefe die na mo ka kire omo ensem be na mo di tu dwa edema omo. It's about time some mo former players mo amabo bon mo Blackstars ni bidan mo ka no kura ni kire omo en chese mo be ko na mo ni o makosresre mo ni makodutwa pictures na ye performance ye good performance. We have quality players mo use the right players and yes me nuanie me ofase nie be babi mabo national team identity chinchina amfa nembo dabi se player A and bossing player B a muma player A nembo. Look at that. Former player John Mensah, your senior man Anthony Yeboah, and Samuel Sekufo and Juku Alexander Juku nefe all smiles obia esre sedia no momfambra game no momfambra pitch no so sa sedia na aya mosre ewo team camp no mumani show ewo pitch no so pitch na mode yem bibia ati e se eho na show en chese mo be sre keke a kire omo ke monka the right thing monka enema na emamu ekoso na mo team no niema na mo ya ede inkunimdie ere ebre oman no ede anigye ebre oman no saa no bi na mo yeda mo kasa nkire omo so omo lake saa empenifo niema wi a mo kɔ ha ensem be na mo ka de na mo ka kira mo de two boys ne asum. We cannot afford to mix this next year 2026 FIFA World Cup. No. Yes, you be good team no. Say Yantiman qualify for next year FIFA World Cup. It just said GFA, the sports ministry, Mugunu. Because ye nim in your papa bia mwere, moya or ministry or mo administration, ye nim dia moye. Na a whole country like Ghana, 2025 AFCON Air Basso. Na ye who the national flag, ye who Ghana flag, our African Cup of Nations. You know what I'm saying? We have better players. We have quality, talented players. Is it the technical team and I say the playing body? And you conform your new way. Why when the enyo or manumaji? Blames no ye fan blaming why? Why when the enyo or muniama said ye? As a nation, ye the bibia, HSA, ye the support him. Now we are the mutimi winning a game. Ya akonya egwo. Nti ya chese akamu musa mo yede mo be showcase mu talent no e wo pitch no so. What is going on? Mo ba camp na ma twitwi auto na chese jamachia na ye mo de. Muntimi enye ema we the supporters, we the citizens ye ninje. Abronti ye wo player obetimi abobo ni ye ye wo player obetimi ku ne ho dia ma oman no eso da bida ye mfa no ye nkofo obi a ye be at the end no ye benya sika free no eni na ekuye no ekuye asoman mo ma yanka de kura ni nkire empanifo no because say yanka de kura na nkire na ye be bia ye chese ye oman Ghana as a nation no ye bibia enye ye bibia ya kwan enye ye hospitals enye ensu a yanom enye football so a ye de bagigi ye ni susu a troka our economy ye bibia a collapse ye bibia enye football so a enije ebre oman so a ni ekobo ne troka It's about time say omo nku omo ho ayere ama the national team a yenyi omo frim. Ye for the right people. our local boys are more say betima born out boniye. Local boys no more say no betima born out boniye. And so abronti ye back of foreign based player. Now foreign based player have a chiwoto. Aye and yama NSEM fata owia no two play ekwa pua. Yenka bibia amfa ho. Antoine Semenyo who Bournemouth the way usi kun e bobo edma Bournemouth sa yehu sa performance no bi e wa Ghana. What is wrong? What is going on? Performance your club level day in day out every week biar ujnem that performance no uba Ghana na watiada. Mohamed Kudus. When was the last time Kudus eshe go Emma Ghana? Obiba Kaimi on Kaimi. When was the last time Kudus enya go Emma Ghana? Ukoto Tiama. Now why then? Wajiro hu performing well. Oba Ghana. Now what about to one night? What about to one night? And Ghana na Emma those big teams no. One free under 17, Uncle Bob under 20. And ya no muna wuli ya wudi nya Ayas edinya West Ham buy sisi ya uko Tottenham entika wo bo under 17 under 20 ada ka wan yire hu wanku hu ama o man ya nka baye dey na this club side ehu abefa wo always be ya star boy so dia sesa we yema o man no ye hu eno ase Ghana for so there onya jibo ba ko twe ba ko hey Kudus nie star boy performance no ye poor go ni hwehwe at the end no be ka se Ghana she sen ya nka se Kudus obobo ahe ana se Kudus edrevo sen ye be ka se Ghana o my Ghana ye she sen mo me nja brona ye bro man ye sesika look at our pictures are the ball every 4 years bia come here say renovation ebekoso and say renovation na ye stadiums yet me emfa say sika na ensi a modern stadium back we ensi ho ema our national teams sika ye renovation look at sika as say ye Sept sports stadium look at sika ye Aliu Mahama sports stadium e Tamale. Look at Sika Yede renovation of Babaya Sports Stadium. Recently, look at the amount of money Yede across Sports Stadium. And it says Sika Niya yet to me fancy a modern stadium, a FIFA and CAF standard one. Marco Kala way Eddie Bebri and to say the state of the pitch and in Mopesa say state in the aye say aye way. Marco Kala, who ye babo bonti ma prem ho akos pre ho poor nation mo academia asem ye den mo di develop mo country and so abro empenifo abronti abro mo person mo bo enchinimanti Ghana yes stadium we 2007 abrana can 2008 yebo African Cup and you see Accra Sports Stadium, Babaya Sports Stadium, Sports Stadium, Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium. 2008 to now always be a renovation in any client mean CAF and major tournament say you be hosted as a nation. Yentimi enko tournament say they say you host it be African Cup because you need stadiums for papa e be there yeah, I'm say the late call up Onyai kwesi Sibo. Yeah, our Spanish La Liga nim. Now oba na so ne Inaki Williams so yeden edi nkomo our Spanish mu. Ombeduro say dia eni gie ne aha. Omodi jo ye dia enka say eni gie na moji ne eye o. Eye very good eye. Mwana mo say bring back the love. And to bring back the love now, mun show a pitch no so. Muma yeso ye ninje. And then you remember 18 muma enije bi na mbra oman nim. Muma oman nim ay hot. Muma enije bi embrem. Sabu bought Trocana Muko ball chad no yen pebi or Accra Sports Stadium ne. Esa supporters amubako and mum brom suo. Mum and so mum found brom. So much mamma better performance. Or mama showcase you or talent and now. Or man for win and bagana. Supporters union. Mu attack you. Because I'm in Guasi for players are day in day out every week. We are mobile club team, mobile national team. I want to move perform. Aden yendi asa national team camp. Aha, a basolo kune asadia Ghana Blasters ye camp there. Ye yard deep. A basadia no money on there. Ye yard there. A traditional that was as a new player bia uba e just wedding udi asa e de kire team no ene na akwasisibo e de e ne de no ubedi asa na udi asa ni wi a pitch no so ne yehia ho pitch no so ne de na wo ya maye pitch no so wedi asa na wi no pitch no so no yehia o performance ni yehia performance na kasa e wo pitch no so ene ne yehwehwe enye so ba betina na why then what this kedi kaka no mama for do they say boys no ebo bokra omo nchire odo then those days when you say your flow national team sha ahonka bia were would be back camp the way when you see ba je e camp say na obesi ayero ho agobọ no eso na boys ya mu be onum so ye dan ya na ye be Fred akonti ya nyire ye ho ye be bo ne troka ye dan ya next call up ye benya anka mo bo ne troka na mukọ na next call up ya follow local boys na kamo ye de mu de be sua nyansa mo bo ne troka ne ya follow local boys ne say too much is ya kai mun ko represent yen mun give him all na mun represent here so much me qualify mu an ye de mo call World Cup na anka those foreign based players no anka omoni beda ho ombedi beda ho ma ye free bi mu ababie mu a ombe den ombe bo omhomodin. It's about time said here our former president the late Jerry John Rawlings ye implement sa na money bi mon ko bo mutimi dia ye de musika ama mo manjia ye diskana ye akwan ye diskana SC schools ye diskana ye de aye mpuntunduma ade oman no monko na monko bon mutimi ko jiba ye diskana be mamu mutimi ko jiba ska mo pebi ade be mamu. It's about time says anye man ye to your players no so because abro no mo boy abro obia pese o showcase ni player obia pese o showcase ni player na ude ma menko ya voice note and I say yanko show video a otuado before the match why press conference any media Ghana man ayeden edi nkomo yanko tie ensem a otu ado ayeden e kan e press conference na say.
And my problem is, in general, even when no matter who I speak to, all Ghanaians, before we played against Sept, don't worry, And the problem is, if this kind of mentality, also from the media, was addressed to us, who's chat, if this gets a little bit, just 1% in the brain of a player, we have a big problem. So I urge people, we are not at the World Cup yet. We have to fight for this. We have to give our lives for this. We are not there yet. No way. And our opponents, they will do everything to stop us from going there. So it's game by game, no matter who. No underratings, nothing. Mali, I'm sure nobody will underrate them. Everybody knows they're good. So I'm not worried. So I know we will put everything in, but we have to be concentrated to.
Any two media, any Ghana new say already he's ready to qualify the team to the next World Cup. Until the obey bia obema team na qualify no obey. But otuado my country o tactics weak. with tactics weak yenim criteria crowd me do mo de fa unya a good coach for Ghana empedifo no monka no kra ne nkyere no said match way went man wini a monji na dwuma ni free ni nsem obai emodebo no wo form ni modebo wo form enti say match way so went man wini a DFA sports ministry monka bibi nkyere the technical teams monka bibi nkyere coach and assistant coaches no omunim say omunim bibia about coaching ba sikani abronti ye do makoshe se omunya dem omundi djuma ye do makoshe se omundi djuma malifo no so de omariata so gidigidi o omariata so pampen se eye dan ya enne so omuji omo 3 point because Ghana for ADEKYE akoshe omo 2-1 first leg no ye show omo 2-1 nti omo so edom coach ni ne mrante ya no awiata so se eye dan ya enne omo de Ghana chi beka fom eye dan ya enne coach ni se omo de na chi beka fom yentie ensema coach Tom Saintfield ekai.
And around AFCON, there were 2 countries very interested in me, and that one of them was Cameroon, and the other one was Ghana. And I spoke around 4 hours, I think, in total with the Ghana Federation, with Kurt and Mark, the president and vice president. And I had a really good feeling, and I had a feeling also that they had a good feeling. But on the end, they decided for another coach, and that's football. I had to move on. At that time, there was no top team in Africa available. I chose to go to Asia.
Until Mali coach, you know, Nenia Brie Papa. Foreign coaches are dominating our African continent. Untimi Papa Tom and Free because we are coaching most of the African countries until on the terrain of African football. When you say the African football is the ACTA. Otuado, when you say Otuado, ultimately fan home compare Mali coach Otuado, ultimately fan home compare Mali coach ni far advanced as ni head coach ya or that screen swing. Your coaching do you say when him be bia enti nyame ya duma 7 p.m. Ghana time 7 p.m. Ghana Blackstars and Mali and the World Cup qualify where the 8th game you about 10 matches. Now 10 matches no the 8th one any. Now se Ghana you lose and I say you both draw cry. Our chances no are very small. Until a must win. A must win for Ghana. You can say a must win. Now supporters yes remo munya munkona munko support our Accra Sports Stadium embo be 6:30 na stadium ho aye full munfo support nya anya de enko support because the Blackstars cannot afford to mix 2026 World Cup you must qualify I just say qualify near so yakobo World Cup ni bi and dey ani gie ebeba yamaimu because MPP NDC ye wonsu ya mo yamaye wey any yedigi yani se Ghana ewini a yanka se MPP ni yanka se NDC ni na ewini oman Ghana enti de beye bia ebema boys yi etima give it their best and then mrei mumiyamfa support enko tie o machi because support ni wo ha omuhu a na omu Kenya omu eso abobon na me di se Ghana ekwa akotai ni mrantie n'echi enti se omo be time machi no yesra mu players no enne die modi abro na ache muma ye 4 goals per muma ye 4 goals per yesra mu monyere mu hu munku mu hu bom no ma oman monkyere se Ghana no ye oman a yenim ball ni bom yesra mu Captain Jordan are you no mrantie no enne mesra kasa kira mrantie no no mrantie no ending mon kasa kira mo yesra mu ye hian win ye perceive by the end of the game no na eni gie supporters obekọ ho bia no o de eni gie na e ba fie yeso ye ho fie ne yeso ye de eni gie edimachi yesra mu enne de must win ema ye se coach ni kura na ne tactics enya wa kire mo tactics no mo kwa mo na mo yede mu display e o pitch no so mo na mu display e o pitch no so maye ye sere mo enne e must win e maye mo maye win na Ghana eso ye ninje because AFCON ya ntima qualify nti we die ye sere mo ma win no ye den enkoma ye na win na anko amaye so dia GFA wo tetem ni de wan hwe emba so ugusua ehwe FPNTV official e wo YouTube and Facebook subscribe nenya more of this ADEKYE mu nsem eniema a ekoso e wo oman Ghana ana dan ni dan nyina ye de bremu bidin e de opon boatin akram.
And around AFCON, there were two countries very interested in me, and that one of them was Cameroon, and the other one was Ghana. And I spoke around 4 hours, I think, in total.